Winter in Colorado. Now, this was not a real severe winter. In fact, we hoped to get more snow. But the animals, some of them still came out. Here, the mountain lion on his or her regular routine, they got to eat and they're out all winter. They don't hibernate, and neither do deer. Of course, they have to work harder on making a living. Snow will cover food, and then it's cold and it's harder to get around when you break through deep snow. These mule deer have a very healthy, thick coat, and they manage to come through this winter just fine. Some winters that doesn't happen so well. They will die, the weak ones will die in harsh winters. Mule deer, and a lone buck through some deep snow. He runs up a steep hill in deep snow. This is a friend from the prairie, and we don't often see these out in the winter. They like to just hibernate in their den, even though they're not hibernators, but they don't come out that much. It's a porcupine, and this one ventured out at night. The bobcat is a regular, and so is the jackrabbit. In the mountains, this one would be a snowshoe hare. On the prairie, it's a jackrabbit. Long legs and long ears. If the snow isn't deep, we could see the skunk, but if it's deep, the skunk disappears in deep snow. A beautiful setting here with rime frost in the back and an elk checking out the camera.